Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what your video needs: mood, tempo, length, and license. Then open one stock library and one indie marketplace to compare. Use filters for tempo and duration. This narrows results fast. Once done, preview 5 tracks and bookmark favorites. Make sure to check license types as you listen, because use rights determine whether you can monetize or need attribution. Keep notes on track names and creators, so you can retrieve them later without losing time. You now place shortlisted tracks under your actual footage and listen critically for clashes. Adjust levels and check if stems or loops are available. Having stems makes ducking and transitions far easier. At this stage, confirm BPM and musical key so cuts won't feel jarring. If a track overwhelms dialogue, try EQ or choose a simpler arrangement. Once you have 2 finalists, compare licensing costs and exclusivity, because pricing affects future reuse and distribution. You finalize by acquiring the chosen license and saving the license file with your project assets. Import the track, normalize levels, and use gentle fades for in and out. If voice competes with music, try sidechain compression or carve EQ. Once integrated, render a short proof and review on different devices to confirm balance. If you hit a problem, no stems, or license ambiguity, contact the creator or vendor immediately, because resolving rights early prevents rework and potential takedowns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.